This is the Volkswagen e-Golf, and to reset the service you may first need to know what service interval you have, and for this you need to turn on the ignition either with the key or by pressing the start button if you have a push button start without depressing the brake pedal. So you turn on the ignition. Now you need to close the doors because otherwise it will not let you use this LCD. And press and hold this 0.0 button. You'll press and hold it for some time. First of all, it will show you a time and then service. You release, and now you see the service. 29,000 kilometers in my case. It was just reset several days ago. So what you need to reset it? You need to turn off the ignition, either by turning it off with the key or by pressing the engine start button again without pressing the brake pedal. Now you need to press and hold this 00 button with one hand, and your other hand will turn on the ignition. So I will show it quickly. You press the 00 button, turn on the ignition. Now it offers you to reset the service, and you release the 00 button and press it again. And now it says that the service is reset. It will say you in English if the car is in English. In my case, it was coded to be in other language. So anyway, it will work like that. Resetting the service is pretty easy in the Volkswagen e-Golf.